Hi, this is your Houston chiropractor, Dr. Gregory Johnson, coming to you from Advanced Chiropractic Relief this morning with Stephen, who come all the way down here from Carbondale, Kansas. Carbondale rang a bell with me because that's where I went to school in Southern Illinois, Carbondale, Illinois, which is Southern Illinois University, and did all my pre-med / chiropractic courses there before I matriculated into Palmer College of Chiropractic. So Carbondale's one of my favorite towns.
Yeah.
I've never been to Carbondale, Kansas yet. Now, Stephen's got a really interesting case because he was having lower back pain and bilateral sciatica back in 2015, 2016. Actually, ever since you were 5 years old and had a trampoline accident, you'd had back problems, you told me.
Yeah,
in our history.
Definitely.
And it's just gotten worse through the years. And then
Yes.
back in 2016, in January, you were so bad that you saw a surgeon, and they did a lumbar L4, L5 fusion with instrumentation.
That's correct.
And tell people how that surgery did for you.
Surgery was told me it was going to help.
They told you it was going to fix your
yeah,
problem.
they basically told me to give me a new lease on life and extend my career. What I did was emergency water line repair. So with that, I did surgery hoping for the best.
Right.
And being told that they wouldn't let me leave in pain. And of course, I got a completely different story when it was all said and done. They basically told me there's nothing they can do for me and bye. See.
And released you with a bunch of pain pills.
Well, what limited pain pills, and then once they stopped giving me a script for that, I've been on my own.
You're on your own.
Yeah.
So did the surgery actually help you, is my question.
No, I do not believe so.
Okay.
The surgery did not help.
And you came down to see us because of watching one of our favorite patients, a Marine sniper named Richard. You saw his must-see video, and that kind of said, wow, he's got plates and screws in his neck, and I adjusted him, and he felt so much better.
Exactly. For someone who has
Instrumentation
a
in their
finicky
spine.
condition and such a crucial area of the body, for someone like you who can adjust that and offer relief and not.
But you sent your x-rays to us before you ever
Yeah.
even came down here, and I reviewed those and told
Yes.
Renee those aren't anything different than we see in here every day, so
Right.
come on down. We don't ever promise people
Yeah.
results, but
Right.
we see people like you every single day
Right.
here.
I feel like I couldn't get here quick enough.
Yeah. Okay, well, you're here now.
Yes, sir.
All right, this is your YouTube video, Stephen. So let's have you close your eyes and flex your head forward and backwards, and then neutral. See, he's just addicted to Boost now.
What?
And also our crack videos. He's a crack addict, right?
Yes, sir.
Okay, good. We're only allowing crack addicts in here anymore. So I could tell he's a side sleeper because, as you can see from his posture, how his head kind of deviates off to the right, tilts to the right. Now his pelvis, however, look, don't move your arms. Look at all the room here versus littler room over here. So your pelvis has translated to the left on the x-axis while your head's forward to the right. So what did we find when I was palpating you? That little curvature right through here in your scoliosis. Okay, so I've already done his comprehensive history and orthopedic neurological examination. Did you feel that was comprehensive, Stephen?
Yes, sir. Very.
Well, maybe now Stephen's here with us for the 3 days. He's getting 6 adjustments this week while he's here in Houston. His left leg was short by a ½ inch, got even there. That tightens up in his low back and pelvis. So he is translated to the left, so I am going to physically translate his pelvis to the right and put him in a mirror image. And then I'm going to adjust below the fusion and above the fusion because he's still got instrumentation in there. And just because you've had back surgery and had fusion with instrumentation does not mean you can't get adjusted. He had his surgery back in 2016, so when I looked at his x-rays, I just wanted to make sure that the fusion had healed and was solid, which it was. But the interesting thing about looking at his x-rays, do you mind if I talk about this?
Oh, go ahead.
Oftentimes, and I see this frequently, on fusion patients. Now I'm adjusting the sacrum now, straight superior to inferior, away from the lumbosacral joint. I'm going to go ahead and push down on L5 here in the A to P axis. These are very light because those are not moving at L4, L5. Now here at L3, however, it's probably sore in there when I adjust these at first.
Okay.
Okay. Keep breathing. There you go. That's it. Alright. So, proof in the pudding. Legs are now even. How does this feel compared to that first time?
Oh, 10 times better.
Different time.
Night and day.
Yep. So I'm going to adjust his cervical spine now in the P to A axis, restoring the cervical lordosis back into a forward 63-degree radially loaded arc in the cervical spine. Man, who's honking their horn out there?
I know, it's crazy.
Driving me nuts. Okay, we hear you. Go ahead and slide this way. Just, yeah, there you go. So we'll do a follow-up, maybe a couple of follow-up videos with Steven throughout the week. Slide down this way a little bit, let you know how he's progressing, and I'll let him tell you how he feels, not me. There you go. Okay, just relax your hands on your tummy. Let me have your right leg here. There you go. Should have felt that from your knee all the way up to your lower back and pelvis.
Yes, sir.
Okay, same thing here. Let this relax. That's it. Same thing there, huh? Yes, sir. Sit you face that way. Alright, so just let your shoulder relax. There you go. That's it. And glenohumeral joint was out.
I told you it was a bum shoulder.
Yeah. They want to do surgery on that too?
No, I haven't had anybody because, like I said, I wanted to try the natural approach this go around
good.
versus letting somebody
Cut on you.
Tear it
You're
up.
not doing good.
Yeah.
Because you got a lot of scar tissue down your
Right.
lumbar spine now.
Oh yeah, no doubt about
And
it.
that's painful in and of itself.
Yeah.
There.
Oh.
Uh-huh.
That's definitely different.
I can adjust any joint in the body. Okay.
Say if anybody can, it'd definitely be you.
Do I need to move stuff?
Well, no, ma'am, you're fine. Okay, but right here, Stephen. You can't stand and watch this? Is that what you're doing?
Yes. I don't want to be in the video.
Oh. Well, you already are. Too late.
Yeah, too late, Mom. You're on YouTube.
You have to sign release too.
Yeah, I did.
No, you'll have to sign release.
Oh, okay.
Yeah. But you can sit here if you want. Be nice in your comments. Okay, let's put your hands right here. There we go. Okay, now just breathe through your nose with your left ear. There you go. I got one more. There it is. Should have felt that all the way down.
Yes, sir.
Good. I had to do a double dinger on him because I didn't get him in there tight enough and he slid through a little bit. Okay. Yes, sir. Boy, crack addict's definitely gonna love you. Look at you. Doesn't get any better than that.
Oh, that's the most relaxed I think I've felt in a long time.
Okay, now it's time to turn sideways. Push yourself up with your leg out. You're listening. Okay, let's stand right here. You can always tell the crack addict dead at keys because they know what to do ahead of time. And look at that right now.
Much better.
Yeah, much better.
Yeah.
Pull these up and back though. This is your homework here, not just this week, but for
Right.
the rest of your life. See, your head's forward and right, so become straight back,
Mm-hmm.
Translate left, tilt left, then look backwards. Hold that there. I'm gonna adjust your atlas right here. Don't worry, I got you. I haven't lost patience for you yet. Try that again now, Stephen. Tell me if this feels any smoother to you than the previous one did.
Yeah.
Take a look in the mirror now,
Much
so you're
better.
not as far to the right, and you got pretty equal spacing down here. Now you're still
Yeah.
a little left, but it's not as bad.
That's a work in progress. That's why I'm here all
Yeah,
week.
well, that's right. So we're gonna see him back in here this afternoon. So how would you describe your very first visit here at Advanced Chiropractic Relief to our YouTube subscribers around the world?
I would say that it's definitely worth coming here, whatever a person has to
Was
do.
your history and examination thorough?
Extremely. I mean, based on what I've seen other chiropractors, or even just general physicians for stuff do, their examination or questions are not as extensive or just well thought out as
Mhm.
yours. But the proof's in the pudding, folks. I mean, for someone
Yep.
who's been suffering for a long time, I can feel a total difference in my pain right now.
Already.
Yes.
This is your very first adjustment.
Yes.
Now you are going to be sore over the next 72
I'll
hours,
take
so
it.
expect that.
I'll
Just put
take it.
crushed ice in a freezer baggie right on the
Yeah.
skin for 20 minutes,
Right.
and drink a gallon of water every day for the rest of your
That'll
life.
be fun.
Yep. Well, you'll be better. I'm not going to say fine because I'm not with you 24/7, but
I'm pretty tough, man. so.
okay, good. Where you
Alright.
need to be.
Thank you, sir.
This is your Houston chiropractor, Dr. Gregory Johnson, coming to you from Advanced Chiropractic Relief in Houston, Texas, where we practice hardcore chiropractic adjustments on Monday through Wednesday every week. We'll see y'all soon.